Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm at the Lake Eland Nature Reserve in Oribi Gorge, and I'm just at the restaurant this morning. Having a nice filter coffee. So I spotted something on the menu that looked very tempting, a venison bunny. So I'm going to give that a try and going to take you all along and tell you what my thoughts on that bunny is. So just waiting now for that to arrive. Okay guys, so my bunny chow has arrived. As you can see, it's almost a half rather than a quarter. And they cut the inside bread up. Oh, and the curry is hot, hot, hot. Give it a taste of the gravy. So this is the venison bunny. Lake Eland has a lot of buck and antelope on the premises, so I take it it's from one of the animals on the premises. Oh, and the meat is cooked really soft, eh? Pulls apart. Okay, so was expecting more of a curry taste, but it's hot, but not as spicy as we would make curry at home. The gravy is nice and thick and lovely though. So it's soaking up the bread. Yummy. So I'm going to give my best attempt at finishing this half loaf bunny. I don't think I'll make it all the way, but let's see how it goes. So I'm about halfway done on the bunny chow. The curry filling is quite hot, so I'm struggling a little bit. I think this half bunny can actually serve 2 people. So makes for a good sharing option, as bunnies should be actually. And they've been very generous with the meat, which I mean, being game meat is a bit gamier than typically your lamb would be, a little bit more chewy. But I think for a bunny chow, that makes it a little bit better even. So yeah, I mean, if you are in the area, if you are in Lake Eland or in Oribi Gorge doing the zip line, the venison bunny chow makes for a good lunchtime option, a good sharing lunchtime option. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I don't know if I'm going to get much further, but we'll catch you on the next video.